Hello everyone, today we will be making Eddoe lips and shrimp. 8 shrimp, 2 bunches of Eddoe leaves, 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger and garlic, 2 large onions chopped, 2 bulbs of garlic chopped, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of shrimp paste from this brand, 15 chilies chopped. Put in the oil with the pan at high heat. Put in the onions, ginger, garlic and mix well. After the onions have browned a bit, put in the shrimp. Set the pan aside and begin boiling your leaf. By the time the water is gone, your leaves should be soft. Put them aside. Put the chilies in the pan and any salt, mix thoroughly. Put in the leaves and mix well. Put a lid on for 5 minutes. Mix properly and wait 5 minutes before mixing again. The leaves should be completely wilted. If so, your dish is done. Enjoy! Please remember to like and subscribe for future recipes. Thank you, everyone.